So we've now built a simple scatter plot, and we get an idea of what our data looks like. And the question is, can we use the scatter plot to predict sales price from square feet of living? So we're going to do a simple regression model. So let's do that. I'm going to hit SCM, and we're going to say create a simple regression model of square foot of living to price. All right, so let's do just that. So remember from the lectures that the first thing that you do before you do anything to your data is to split it into a training set and a test set, because you never want to do training or learning on the test data. You want to do that just on the training data. So let's do that, split. So I'm going to take my data and split it into training data and test data by calling a function that's called, that you can apply to an S-frame. So it's called the random split function, sales.randomSplit. By the way, what I did there was just use tab complete. So let me just show you that little trick just for a second. So if I just do sales.r and I press tab, you'll see there's a few things I could do: random split, read a CSV file, remove columns, rename columns, and so on. So I'm going to just do random split. And what I'm going to tell it is to do a 0.8 split. So 0.8 of the data, 80% is going to be for training, and 20% is going to be for testing. Now, one last thing that will be useful for your homeworks, and in general to make sure that you have always the same results, is to set a seed for the split. Because it's a random split, it's a pseudo-random number generator, and we can set a seed to it. And I'm just going to set the seed to be any number we want. For example, it could be 2015, it could be many things. So I'm just going to set it to 0. So now every time I do this random split, it'll split the data in the same way.